we are back in the shed. I have not put the lighting in here yet, but we're back in the shed. So, what? Yes, there's light in here, but I don't have my lighting that I normally have in here. Okay, but gotta dust real quick. Ellie, I need you to pick up your dinosaur. We're back in the shed. Cool. These are all dead. All of them are dead. And I don't think I have an extra charger out here. So that sucks. Or you know what? I see some. No! Oh! Nope, found one.
Oh, you found one?
Yep. I found a block. So now I can charge all of this. There's so much to charge. Everything's dead out here. I'm gonna clean up over here, and I feel like y'all should be over here too. So let's move over there. And boom, you're over here now. Which, I guess, whatever. I brought the milk warmer out here just in case the baby needs to be fed. I have a mini fridge filled with milk. We've got to clean over here because it's awful. My nursing bras, because they desperately need to be sewn. So I want to move y'all up here so y'all can see down here. I definitely do not remember how I had everything set up here. But we're trying. Okay. I guess I just had it at this angle, which is weird because it's like I don't know. It's a weird angle, but we're gonna stick with it. But these are my nursing bras, and they desperately need to be, I guess angled or just brought together. I don't know, because obviously it's not like angled at a flattering thing. It's just very straight, and it's very loose at the bottom right here. I want to say, is it the same for all these? Yeah, it's just like straight up and down. On all of them. So what I'm going to do is make it at a angled, just taper it a little bit, give it some kind of shape. I don't think I'll have to mess with the straps or anything, but we'll see. I'll show you what it looks like on me. Just give me one sec. So it looks fine like this, right? But as you can tell, it's very loose at the bottom. I don't know how. It's just very weird, very loose. I think, let's try just doing the band first. But also, like, up here, it's also very loose, so I don't know what the heck is up with that. But something needs to happen down here for sure. So let's try to take it in around the band first and see how that looks.
Some wrestling, come back at 6, trying to talk about the birth certificate.
Yeah, we got into the room at like 5 a.m.
Okay, this is a lot better. It feels a lot better. It feels more stable. Now this one, I only did the sides, but I could have it a little bit tighter right here. Like it could be tighter, but also I am wearing another one underneath here, so let me fix that. Ellie, lift it up, lift it up. There you go. Okay, so this is what it truly looks like. Again, it's still a little loose, so I think I'm just gonna take some elastic and force it in the front. But the back feels great. It actually covers a lot of back fat that I have, so that's nice. So, yeah. That's what we're dealing with this one. It feels a lot more comfortable. I could have tapered this in a little bit more. Yes, you can see the stitching color, but it's fine. I feel a lot more comfortable in this. It was too loose right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is the next one, I'm gonna cut a slit in it, like the first, or I need to do the first one because that's the one I showed y'all me seam ripping, so let me show you that. Okay, so this one you could tell right here it's a little bit bigger. I did not do anything with the top, so that's why it's a little full right here. The band is tighter. I think I'm gonna go in and take out a little bit right here. So the other one, I think I'm just gonna seam it all the way down at the side, and it's just the front part. The front part, the band, is what needs to be fixed the most, but also like the top for me is fine. It's just, I don't know. Let's see. I have a ton of elastic. I'm gonna open this part up. Open this part up. We're going to measure this out. I think I want to try and cut it there. Okay, we're gonna feed it through the band. Okay, make sure we're at the front. That way it gathers under the boobs. Alright, so now that we have it at the end, now we're gonna sew this. Sorry if I'm shaky, I'm like caffeinated really bad right now. So. Pull this a little bit tighter. Okay, and let's see how this one is. And I think I'm gonna finish that one for right now, and then we're gonna finish tomorrow, but I'll show you what this one looks like now. Never mind, I wanna sew up the side of this one too and see if that does anything. Okay, better angle so you can see. So much better down here. So much better. So this is with the elastic. I say it's just about the same. It fits all right. Again, it's like you just want this to fit well with the boobs. I'm just going to fast forward the rest of doing this because I'm just trying to get projects out the way. I already showed y'all what it looks like with it already done, and yeah, so fast forward. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna film, but actually I just did the sides. Sorry, the baby is trying to eat. But I just did the sides on this one, and honestly, I just like how it fits. So, fits pretty good. Awesome. Good. I don't have to do anything else. So that's what that end result looks like. So, there we go. Okay, I was on the phone with my dad. Baby started getting cranky, and now he's still a little bit cranky. Before he gets even more crankier, I just wanted to say I'm going to do some resin, do that real quick, and then we're gonna play with our neighbors. They're just coming back home from Disney World because, you know, the whole storm and hurricane. They like had it planned a long way out, and then they went all the way over there just to be kicked out and brought back home. So I'm gonna try to finish the resin, get what I need to get done in here, and then go start dinner so I can have Ellie be able to go and play with a friend and help them, you know, unpack and, you know, hear about how their whole trip went. So